This collaboration with the University of Queensland is going to help the Defence Force in a number of different ways. Some of the best thinking, best people, biggest minds, creativity lies here. So how this will help Defence is by giving us access to those people, but also building an end-to-end process that allows us to turn that talent into capability.
The Department of Defence is no different to every other large organisation. They're really struggling with innovation, with the rate of change. And so they've engaged us at the University of Queensland Business School to try and help them work out how to accelerate the adoption of innovation, particularly in this AI space.
I think it is really important for industry to work with universities, and also in this case with the Department of Defence, in order to enhance the diversities of views that we do have when we're trying to find solutions for some of the problems we're trying to address. And I think it's a good example that industry should be following more and more.
Collaboration is so fundamentally important, because normally what happens is you've got people who've got solutions and they think their solutions are awesome. And then you've got people who've got problems. They've got no idea what the solutions are. And so really what's critical is actually getting the problems and solutions in the same room together to see if we can find that magic that happens when the right problem attaches to the right solution. This project is so exciting because we have a lot of problems in this world. Like, it's getting more and more complex. We need to be better and faster at solving problems. And so this program is really an experiment that we're running right across the university to try and find a way to do that faster. And that, if we can achieve that, I think the world will be a better place.